Le Paris s'envole de chansons. Elle est d'aujourd'hui dans le cœur d'un garçon.
Writer, actor and comedian Gwenno Dafydd has just returned from London's glittering West End with a rather special show.
Well, the show is called Passionate About Piaf because I am passionate about Piaf, and I have been for many years. And it's a new production with a company called Multi-Show Productions, which is quite new, as of February this year, and this is one of their many shows. Well, it was wonderful. Standing ovation, 2 encores, full house. Can't go better than that, really. And it was in a place called Zeddell's Brasserie, in a place called Crazy Coq's, where all sorts of really famous people have sung, and me. Why not? No, because she is and has been my role model since I was about 21. And she was a famous French singer, and I love her and have always loved her. The show here in a cappella is going to be the first of the productions that we've been doing together, ensemble, and we have a wonderful pianist and an accompanist on the accordion. So we're looking forward to that. It's going to be on the 9th of October at 8 o'clock. If you want some pizza, come between 6 and 8, and it's going to be a fun night. Well, I'm going to have fun anyway, because she was just iconic. And at one time, she was as famous throughout the world as Madonna. So basically, you know, they'll have heard her music from their grandmothers or whatever. So she just lives on because she was magic.